Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 60. So here it is. Let's read the story. Lu said to Lu Shishao, "It's fun today if only every day is today." Well, definitely right now, Lu she was really enjoying coming to this island. Lucia, she looked at her daughter. Fireworks are so beautiful, and they're actually my mother's name. Mom, can I play my phone for a while after taking a shower? Okay, go take a shower right now. After a while, Lucia checked her phone and, well, is she waiting for CN message? Let's see. Look at her, she looks pretty serious. It turns out it was Teacher C. Is the fireworks are beautiful? Teacher C is asking her. Well, seeing this Lucia right now, it seems that she's a little bit excited. Because it's already confirmed that it was Cian. Now, look at her. She seems that she's getting rustic. Now, she was giggling, probably. She really feel it like a sweet thing. Obviously, she really liked it. While Lucy Xiao, she was really happy at this moment. She feels that she was really special, right? The other hand, why do you want to say the opposite and hurt Sian, who is kind? Is the fireworks beautiful? Well, she answered it and said she liked it very much. Well, thanks to Sian. Thanks to Sian, in fact, I'm also following the trend. I want to join in the heat and try the effect. Oh, it seems that it was not for her. Right now, Lucy Xiao, she seems to be rattled. Well, joining the fun? It seems that Xian do it just for fun. Well, of course it was not. It's only to test her, how she can react. But Lucy Xiao, she becomes sad at the moment, so she don't show it on purpose at all. Now, it really makes sense to her. It's like she was a child who acting childish. It can be Lu Shishao or it can be Liu Shishao and Li Shishao. Now, to accurate, Mom already finished washing. Lu suddenly barged in. It was the next day. It was early. Suddenly, knocking on the door. Boom. Well, who could it be? It seems that it was really important because knocking is not stopping. With her sleepy eyes right now, Lu Shishao opened the door and said, "Who is it?" Now, Xian greeted her and said, "Good morning." Well, looking at Xian, she already fucked up. She looks really gorgeous. And also, she was waving her hands towards her. Well, what could it be, since it was early in the morning? Xian, where is she going right now? Xian, I'm here to say goodbye. Oh, where is she going? Her vacation's already finished after 2 days. Well, it was really short. But right now, Lu Shishao said, say goodbye, you will go back today. Xian said to her, no. Definitely, she's plotting something. But right now, look at Xian, she looks really sad. I booked a room too late, and the hotel was full again, so I only booked until the day before yesterday, and yesterday, since it was the third day today, she has no room to sleep. Now, in the peak of tourist season, it's difficult for the other hotel to open the room, so I can only go camping on the beach. She seems to be puzzled. Camping is definitely not a good thing. It's not realistic to find a hotel at this time. Now, she was really hesitating. Mom, why don't you let teacher see to live here? When I booked a room, there was only a large standards room left. Nunu and I were each other's single beds. If Sian leaves again, how can she sleep? But, looking at Louie, Mom, let the teacher see live in our room. Seeing Louie that she was really eager to let teacher C to come and live with him. Of course right now she's a little bit rattled. Also, we have two beds. I sleep one, Mom, and you and teacher C sleeps together. Oh, after hearing this right now, the two suddenly surprised. Look at them. Well, of course the kid doesn't know the logical terms. But of course the two of them are really hesitating. It really feels awkward, especially for Lu Shishao. Now, it really makes sense. That's why she was hesitating. Xian said to her, that's not good. Well, Xian sees that That's not really good. Mom, let our teacher see live here, Lu Wei said to Lu Shishao. Of course, Lu Wei. But what we should do if she got washed away by the waves when she is sleeping on the beach? Right, Lu Wei said. She can win on her daughter. Nunu is right. Now, there's a lot of people in the peak season and camping is not very safe. Lu Shishao said to Xian. Well, finally, she really agreed, right? Looking at the face of Lu Shishao, now that you have encountered it by a chance, when you go out, you should take care of each other and in difficulties. Oh, now she's being rational. Well, let's see. Xian, she seems to be surprised. It's really hard for Lu Shishao to say this, right? Even though she knows that Lu Shishao is always timid. But, of course, for her daughter, she can do anything to make her happy. What about Xian and I squeeze in a bed? You and me will sleep together, okay? Lu Shishao said to her daughter. Well, finally, the sleeping arrangement is already done. Teacher, always. She was really sad. Lu Shishao, perception. It's already a holiday, and I'm obviously not school, but I'm always a teacher in front of her. Xian said to her mother. Xian and Lu Shishao, she got really fuzzled. Lu Wei said to them. I went to the house to play and sleep together. Xian said to herself, in the world of children, it's always so simple. They've been not thinking hard, but they can give you an answer, right? Forget it, it's a good room to be as same as Jojo. Well, definitely, she was really tricky. The brink of eye. You knew the two adults are a little crowded when they sleep in one bed and they accidentally fell into ground. Well, Xian, she has some point. Then, you came in first, the luggage, I will help you to take it in. Lu Shishao said to Xian. Now, looking at her, she looks really comfortable right now. On the other hand, when Lu Shishao is trying to carry the luggage, it seems that she is not expecting, but the reaction is only a few clothes. Wrong, it's so light. It's all the clothes. Well, she remembered about the clothes. Wearing that swimsuit. Xian, bring her camera. She can escape right now, right? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!